figured I'd bring you along in the little cooking adventure here. I'm in the process of making the Rolling Tardis Despicable burgers. So what we got here is the patty itself right here. It's about 2/3 of a pound. So it's ridiculously thick, which is awesome. And we're going to wrap it up with bacon, because nothing's better than pork fat. So let's get some bacon strips out, and we'll sprawl them out here a little bit. And this is still a little bit frozen, so I kind of got to pick it a little bit. So we'll get some layers out here, and we'll do a nice little fan pattern here. Like I said, it's still a little frozen, which is fine. I'll just pinwheel this. Get the final piece out here. Just like such. Then we'll take our 2/3 pound patty here that we just freshly made off the burger press. I'll have to have a video on making these things one day. And we'll get some toothpicks out, get them ready. And we're just gonna wrap this up. So we probably got a good pound of meat here between the hamburger and bacon here. So we got our classic 80-20 hamburger, and of course we go over the 20% fat with the bacon, and then we're going to spice it up a little bit, because that's what we do here. So we're going to get some super a little Dynatrack inspired seasoning here. So we got that kind. Bon caca. We're gonna just sprinkle a little, just spice it up a little bit, and we'll make sure we get this ready for shaking. It's been sitting for a little while. Just get that nice and spiced up. And then we'll throw these on the grill, and we'll cook them to about 160 degrees. And of course, you want to make sure you get yourself some nice big buns, because these are freaking huge like this. And then we finish up the project here, and before the eats with, of course, classic Heinz chili sauce. So that's it for this video. Hope you are drooling, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye bye. So for a little Rolling Tardis extra bit here, in case you don't know how to cook something this thick, your first step is you need to get your barbecue nice and hot. If you can get it up to about 400 to 500 degrees, that's your first step. Second thing is, you want to sear these things. So you're going to be placing these right on the direct flame, and you want to be putting the cover on as soon as you can, because we all know what happens when all this bacon fat and all the hamburger fat is going to start touching the flames. You're going to get a huge ass flare up. So get them on, get the cover on. You might even have to close off your vents, because you don't want no flames, or trying to avoid having a huge flare-up while you're searing these. So your searing is going to be about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. After that's done, get it off the flames, folks. Get it off to the side. So if you're using a propane burner, shut off a couple of burners and push it off to the side. If you're on a charcoal, of course, you're going to be planning ahead of that you're going to have your charcoal on one side of the grill and then nothing on the other side. So you're going to be doing indirect heating, and that's what you'll be using to finish these off, and then you'll have the best burgers ever. So that's it for this tip. We'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.